H1B visa, the process of getting an H1B visa. It's a complex one, okay? And in this video, we'll try to explain the process of getting an H1B visa, how it actually works, and what the employer is required to do in order for it to be a successful petition. And hopefully your luck on the lottery will play out as well, and we can get you the H1B visa. For those who do not know me, my name is Bijoux Ngwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer based here in DC. I do work with individuals across the country and around the world because we're dealing with U.S. immigration laws. We're dealing with U.S. immigration complex cases. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. Thank you for subscribing, and please don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. If you enjoy the content, please go ahead and share, like, and don't forget to comment below. And also please don't forget to join us on our private Facebook group where we answer questions live sometimes, or we just respond to it accordingly, once a week at least, or twice a week if we can, or once every 2 weeks. Okay, let's get right into it. H1B visa. First of all, what should the employer do? Right, first of all, you have to know that H1B visa is a specialty occupation type of visa. Okay, and because it is a specialty occupation type of visa, the employer has to lay out the job description very well. What exactly are you going to be doing as a job? So the employer has to lay out that job description very well so we can help you out, right? And you are required to have at least a bachelor degree, because remember, it is specialty occupation type of job. So you are specialized in some type of occupation, and you hold a degree that give you basically the credibility for that type of job. Okay? And once the employer does that, then the employer has to show that they can pay prevailing wages. What is prevailing wages? Prevailing wages simply means that, well, they are going to pay you almost the same or the average that they pay similarly situated people in that type of position, okay, in that area. For example, if you're coming to work in DC and you are a web developer, so they have to pay you the average or the same amount that the web developer here in DC gets paid. That's it, as simple as that. So the employer has to show that they have the ability to pay that type of money. Okay, then once they do that, we file the labor certification form so that we can get you certified, labor certified, because that's the requirement, right? The Department of Labor has to know that this job is first legit, they're gonna pay prevailing wages, and is the specialty type of occupation. And then the way we do here is that we're gonna give the employer an intake form so that they can fill out. At that point, we will know exactly the type of job they're offering, because the description will be laid out, the type of specialty, and how they've dealt with other employers in the past as far as income is concerned, or as far as hiring process is concerned. So pretty much the employer has to show that, well, they couldn't find a qualifying person here in the US, that's why they want to get foreign labor. Okay, so they have to be able to show that, and we can help them prove that based on their history, the basically company history, right? And then sometimes the employer is not verified. They have to be their IN number has to be verified so that it can go through the Department of Labor easily. Okay, and then after we get that certification, right, then we file the form I-129 together with that labor certification with USCIS. And at that point, USCIS started their selection process, okay? Selecting you based on lottery. It's not based on merit, my friend. It's just based on a random lottery. So are you lucky? If you're lucky, just try your luck, right? Because it's not really based on merit. It's based on lottery, because they have a number of visas that are available for a specific fiscal year, and we know that fiscal year ending on September 30th, okay? And registration usually starts on March 1st and then ends March or beginning of April. And then if you get hired or you get selected, then you start the job until October 1st, the beginning of the fiscal year. Of course, of the same year if you get selected that same year. So, and we know that they have premium processing, so the application can get really approved within 15 calendar days based on premium processing if you pay additional money, right, to USCIS. It's always has been about money. That's just how it works, okay? So we are done with this. I'm gonna come back to part 2 to actually talk about how you can get that H1B type of work. How do you start to even get that type of work? I'm going to give you some tips, and hopefully that will help you. If you need a consultation, please call 202-751-2180. Email bijoux.ngwanda@gmail.com. Consultation fees apply as usual. Until next time, bye-bye.